What it do, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see in the name of the title, today we're going to be installing a dash cam on my 2019 Dodge Charger. Just to give you guys a little quick story, about like 3-4 years ago, my wife was in a car accident. Just to let you guys know, she's good, so don't even worry about it. She's good to this day. But yeah, about 3-4 years ago, she was in a car accident. She was at an intersection making a left turn, had the green arrow and everything, so she was good to go. And some dude in a Mustang, yeah, a Mustang, blew the light, crashed right into her, T-boned the car. Car was wrecked. And, you know, I showed up like 10 minutes later. He was like, babe, get here quick. I showed up like 10 minutes later. And the dude was just apologizing, saying, you know, I'm sorry, da-da-da-da-da. You know, it was his fault, blah, 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 whatever. Police showed up. We had witnesses there. We filed a little police report, witness statements. And then when it was time to deal with insurance, dude was just like, I guess, told his insurance, he stated that he wasn't at fault. So the insurance, you know, again, there was some BS insurance company. They were just gonna go with his word. And even after we had a police report and a witness statements, they didn't really care. Again, some BS insurance company that just didn't want to put out, I guess. But yeah, guys, to make the story short right there, that's the whole reason we're gonna be ahead installing a dash cam on my Charger today. We went ahead and copped the JANSITE Stream Media rear view mirror. Yeah, it's a mirror dash cam, as you can see. So I'll go ahead and show you guys some like clips of that in the video to come. But yeah, guys, just to let you guys know, you know, at the end of the day, you know, not to say you can't trust everybody, but, you know, there are dishonest people out there. And I just want to make sure, you know, my vehicle's covered if I ever run into that situation, you know, because at the end of the day, exactly like I said, just if something like happens like that to me, I can like, boom, there's a video proof. What else more proof do you want? So that's good. That's a good thing about, you know, having a dash cam. So if you guys are interested in getting this dash cam, I'll be dropping a link in the description. Also, there's going to be an install video, so you guys will be able to follow the steps and know how to install it the way I installed it, or however. You can always learn. There's a whole bunch of videos on YouTube, but if you guys want this exact same one, I'll also be putting the hardwire kit in the link too, so you can go ahead and cop that. And this should be an easy install. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this video. All right, guys, let's go ahead and check out this dash cam. So it's a mirror dash cam. I'm gonna go ahead and be mounting it right here at the mirror. I got like 2 little straps, so strapped up against the mirror I have now. Has a little camera in the back. You can also like push this in and out to get the view you want. And yeah, guys, let's go and check out what else is in the box. It also comes with, like, you know, these little straps to strap on there to the mirror. It comes with like the whatever you call this, what's the cigarette lighter plug-in. So if you just want to run it like that, you can run it like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and hardwire it to like the fuses. I'm going to tap a fuse on that one, so it gives you like the option just to run it through the cigarette lighter, or you can also you know, just do the tap a fuse or whatever, getting a hardwire kit. And then this is for the back camera. Let's go ahead and open it up real quick. I'm probably gonna mount this right inside of the vehicle, right on like the back of the window. But it's like I think it's like a 31-foot wire, so you can go ahead and definitely hide this. I think I'll put like some double-sided tape and just put it right in the back right here, like right where like the little brake light's at. We'll put some double-sided tape and just mount it right there. And yeah, guys, hopefully this is an easy install, and I'll go ahead and show you guys what's the process. Let's get into it. All right, guys, first thing I went ahead and did was mount up the mirror dash cam. Quick little thing, you know, it has some mounting brackets on the actual dash cam right here, and also up top on the same spot. And it gives you these little rubber bands. You just, like, you know, put against your mirror on top of this dash camera, however, and it's covering your mirror basically, so your mirror is not going anywhere. And this is also acting as your new mirror, but that's the whole reason you have the rear view mirror camera as well, so you don't really miss the rear view. But I also have a backup camera, so it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. But yeah, guys, you can see the camera's ready, pushed out, ready to go. So that's how you're going to be having the camera. You can't really push it in anymore because, you know, how big and bulky, you know, the actual mirror for the Charger is, so it can't really like move anymore. So you can also, you're basically just gonna have it out like this the whole time. But that doesn't bother me. That's how they know it's made, or however. So, but yeah, guys, that's a cool little view right there. Has the protection film still on it. I'll go ahead and take this off once I'm done with the install, but let's get into the rest of this video. All right, guys, so we got it set up. Let me go over what I did for the install, guys. So once I had this mounted up, there's your power, your mini micro SD, or however mini micro plug-in. You're gonna plug that in, and then you're gonna use your pry tool. As you can see, I use my pry tool, and I just pried this up a little bit, and I stuck the wire all across right here, basically right through here, under here, And then also same thing in the back. Let's go in the back, I'll show you. Also same thing, so from right here, the wire is going all the way through here to the back. You can see the wire right there, I just had to tuck it in a little better. And then all the way back here, basically all the way back here. And then you can see also the wires right here. So there's like a little part you can put it that you'll barely notice the wires there. It's like it's meant to be there. I don't know why. It just has a little open slot where you can hide the wire right there. And then if you pull the seat back, I have my little box for it right here. This is like the fuse box or however. You see the power's on, I connected it. And then I basically pried this little push pin or whatever right here, pried it up and hid the wire underneath the carpet. However, the trunk liner, I hid it under the trunk liner and passed it all the way through the back. Sorry guys, my trunk's kind of a mess. You know, my tools and everything, my son's RC car. But yeah, so I passed the wire underneath the liner, the trunk liner. And then I ran it basically all the way under here. So this is the wire right here, ran it all the way under and passed it right under here. And then you can see right where the fuse box is at, I gone ahead and added a Tapa fuse. So this is the, I think it's F27, it's the amplifier. So I went ahead and did a Tapa fuse to it. You can see I had my, did some electrical tape, spliced it, electrical taped it, and then I also mounted the ground right here. So that's it for the install on the dash cam. Easy, really easy install, guys. Let me go ahead and show you guys the finished product. Sorry for the messy car, guys. You know, working in the car. But there goes the dash cam. Let's go ahead and turn it on. There it is. There it is, guys. Looking clean. Gonna take off the protection film. Bro, the camera quality is crazy. It's like it says 1080 on the box, but it's showing really clear. I would call it 4K, but guys, this thing is really clear. Gives a good view of the whole like front, good angle view. Guys, I am happy with the results. To tell you the truth, I still have to add in the back camera. I'm gonna go ahead and do that next, and then I'll show you guys the back camera next. All right, guys, so bear with me. Let's finish this install up.
Several days later.
All right, guys, and we're back. It's been several days later. As you can see, we got the dash cam, the mirror dash cam, fully functioning, mounted up. I did run into a small issue at first when I was hardwiring the kit. Basically, the hardwire kit I purchased at first wasn't the actual one recommended through the brand. And basically the one I had at first was only a power line and a ground line, which gave the actual dash cam power, but it wasn't the right hardwire kit for it, because the one that is recommended needs a power line, an accessory line, and a ground line. So basically, because I didn't have the accessory line, the dash cam will power up, but it'll turn off because it wasn't sensing the accessory line. I don't know why, but this dash cam needs to be powered with a power line, an accessory line, and then you also ground it. So that's the only way this actual dash cam will fully function the way it's supposed to. But yeah, guys, so I had to send back the other hardwire kit and get the new one. But yeah, guys, as you can see, I have the power line running through my headliner going this way, so I had to reroute it. At first I had it going this way, which I should have put it this way at first, but I went ahead and did it the right way. So I plugged it in and I ran the power line through the headliner. You know, same thing as a video earlier, through the side of the headliner right here, to the back, all the way to the back. And also this one is for the rear view camera. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the camera. Same thing, running through the headliner to the back. And then I had like 30 feet of extra wire. Not like 30 feet, but like 25. How much? They gave you like 30 feet of wire, but I wrapped it up and placed it in the pillar right here. And then I used the rest of it to go through the back. And then there you can see the camera mounted up in the back right there with some double-sided tape. But yeah, guys, I'll go ahead and show you guys the fuse locations and, you know, how it basically the actual JANSITE mirror dash cam works with being wired up. So let's go ahead and go to the back. All right, guys, as you can see, we're here at the back. You can see I got a couple Tapa fuses in the fuse box line. So for the actual power line, it's going to be this yellow one. This is what they recommended for the power line. It was yellow, so I just made sure to match it to the power line and added a Tapa fuse. So this is going to be your I think F38, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, F38, which is your media hub console. And then also I went ahead and for the accessory line, which is this red one, so I just matched the colors with some extra wire. This red one's your accessory line, and it goes to F67, which F67 is rain, light, sensor, rear view mirror, sunroof, police run accessory. So that's an accessory line, you know, for like if the cops use these kind of cars, they run like their lights probably through that actual that fuse line. So I went ahead and added some Tapa fuses. So the Tapa fuse F67 is our accessory, and then the yellow one is F38 for our constant power for the actual dash cam to be working functionally. So yeah, guys, that's basically it for the wiring up part. I just ran the cables through the back right here. I hid them under this right here and ran them through the side, and then right under there I had to also like splice the wires and connect the longer wires to get to actual fuse location. Let's go ahead and show you guys the rear view camera mounted up. As you can see, it's mounted up in the back, double-sided tape. I had to adjust it a few times just to get a good view. But let's go ahead and close the trunk, and I'll show you guys the look of the rear view camera. But yeah, guys, here you can see the front view camera looks clear. It's about like 1080, I guess. It looks way better than 1080. But if you can go to the side, you swipe it to the side, you can see the rear view. The sun's in the way, so it's not going to be really great quality picture. And if you slide it to the left again, that'll be your rear view camera right there. And it's for the most part, it's the rear view doesn't really give a good quality picture, but the front camera gives a better 1080 picture. And I'm satisfied basically with the actual dash cam. I've been running it for a few days now, and I had no problems. It's running as it's supposed to, not shutting down on me. And it also has the feature of let's go to settings. You can do like G sensor. So if you have it parked overnight, you can basically put it on like a loop recording, or you can do like a time lapse. So you go to general settings. Oh no, you want to go to video. Sorry, you want to go to video, go to settings. Let's see, G sensor medium. So I thought I had it off at first, but I guess I do have the G sensor on. So if anybody was to actually hit into my car, oh no, so you see park mode. If I have the park mode on, it'll basically record if it gets any it feels like somebody tapped into the car or anything like that. Me, I don't really want to try it right now because I'm scared I might run out my battery in some kind of way. But I'll go ahead and test that out in the future, in the future videos to come. I'll go ahead and give you guys an update on that. But yeah, guys, it also has a park mode and it has a time-lapse video mode. So if you turn those on, you can just set it for like time lapse for like 3 to 4 to 5 hours, however long you want it to do, and it'll do like a time lapse video. I got a 132 gigabyte memory card in here, so I have a lot of memory, so I don't have to worry about missing anything. And then if you want to see like the videos on the actual dash cam, you can press right here. Let's go up. It also does pictures as well. Let's go and check out a video real quick of me driving. Sorry guys, it's taking this time to load. Let's try this one. Maybe I gotta put it on run mode, who knows. Let's try a different video, guys, my bad. Okay, there you go. So as you can see, it records. That's me driving right there through the streets. Yeah, guys, I'm still trying to figure out this whole dash cam, but as of now, it's working as it's supposed to. I can do like 3-minute intervals, or like 2-minute or 1 minute. I think it also gives you like 5 minutes. But I keep it at 3, so keep it short on the video. So if I wanted to watch it like right now, I'm not watching too long a video. But yeah, guys, that's really it for the dash cam setup. I'm really happy about getting a dash cam for my car because, at the end of the day, I want to have my car, covered of any kind of way if I need to show proof on any kind of accident, incident, anything that happens on my vehicle. All right, y'all, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That's going to be all it for the mirror dash cam install. And like I said in the beginning of the video, you know, the whole reasoning, you know, for installing a dash cam, you know, it's important because at the end of the day, you know, you don't know what could happen in any kind of situation, just like how my wife was in. You know, the guy said he was at fault at the time, and then when it was time to deal with insurances, he told his insurance he wasn't at fault. So at the end of the day, it's better to have proof and, you know, video proof, and it's better to have that than nothing. So for that being said, make sure you guys also subscribe to the channel because we are doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers. Right now we're at 205 and we're only going up from here. But yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.